So today we're going to change out forming tubes on the vertical form, fill, and seal baggers. We're going to be changing from a larger forming tube to a smaller size. And in order to do that, we're going to have to change the vertical pressure. So I'm going to show you how to set the vertical pressure as well. So the next step would make sure that the e-stop is pushed in. So you open up the doors and it will drop the air pressure, which opens up the belt. I'll cut the film off of the roll. Remove the vertical form fill or vertical seal by loosening this side and removing it completely, and loosening this side and letting it drop. Now we can remove the vertical form fill and seal tube. So we're replacing the larger fill tube with the smaller form fill tube. So the next step is to make sure you have the back pressure set right. Right now I can fit my finger through there, and you only want enough for the film. So you can loosen the handle and slide it forward until you hear it touch the former, and then push it back one thread. With the new former in place, we can replace the vertical seal bar and retighten the handles. Before tightening down all the way, you want to make sure it's vertical, straight. Lock it down, and now we need to set the pressure. If I push that in, I'm not making contact with the vertical tube, so I need to loosen these sides here and then push it in. For setting the vertical pressure, what I like to do is push it all the way in while I have the vertical out, and apply a piece of tape to where it meets the brass bushing. This just gives me a reference point. So when I apply vertical pressure, you're going to see this poke out a little bit, and we're trying to set about an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch gap. So I'm going to push in my vertical seal until I get about an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch gap, and I lock it down, and you're done. So that concludes setting up for new form size.